Hi, hello, welcome to Tej Academy. I am Prasanna Kumar Reddy. A long wait is over. I know you all are waiting for NCET National Common Entrance Test notification update. Just now, we are on the NTA official website of NCET. You can see NCET released official online application notification, just inviting online application for National Common Entrance Test 2026 registration admission to 4-year integrated education program, ITech program regarding. I am just going to open this and show you the official application date. You can see NCET notification, which is just now 12th February 2026. You can clearly see inviting online applications for National Common Entrance Test for admission to 4 years integrated ITEP regarding. So the National Testing Agency has been entrusted by the NCTE with the responsibility of conducting the National Common Entrance Test for admission to 4-year integrated teacher education programs, shortly called as ITEP, in selected central and state universities, including IITs, NITs, RIEs, and government colleges for the academic session 2026. You can see the dual major program. The first major is in education with this school specific stage specialization, and the second major in the opted discipline. National Common Entrance Test 2026 will be conducted in 13 mediums across India, which is a computer based test, CBT mode, for the academic session 26-27. And you can see the date. Online submission of application is going to start from 12th Feb today to 10th March. Approximately 28 days time is given. The last date of successful transaction is 11th March 2026. Correction in particulars will start from 12th to 14th March. 2 days time is given. Announcement of the city of exam, it is going to be announced later in the website. Downloading admit cards also going to be announced later in the website. And date of examination, as guessed, it is going to happen on 17th April, Friday, tentative date. Very clearly given, the date is subject to change based on the declaration of the election schedule. They have very clearly given. So tentatively it is going to happen on 17th April 2026, and display of recorded response and answer keys to be announced later. Website is given, and declaration from the NTA website is also given. So overall, a long wait. Many students are waiting for the NCET applications. Ultimately today it is released, and the exam date is also given, 17th April. I wish all the best for all the aspirants. So we are providing a different quality kind of guidance for the NCET and RIE-CEE exam from last year. And in the last year for RIE-CEE, we made a tremendous history in the result production, and this year we are also aiming for NCET results. So please do follow our channel for more details. Since it is a notification video, I am going to make it very short, and all other details related to colleges and programs, we are going to make detailed videos for every IITs, NITs, RIEs, and other central universities. To get maximum information, please do subscribe our channel and follow it. Thank you.